Turn off the car. Do it now. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Do it now. Put it in park. Put the car in park. Stop. Stop the car. Stop the car. You got a gun.
I don't have a gun.
Stop the fucking car. Stop the fucking car. Get out of the car. Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop the car. Oh shit.
shut my thing off real quick?
This is my fucking birthday. Is you fucking serious, bruh?
We got the car stopped.
Everybody else?
I got it.
You alright, Ben?
Am I in trouble?
Yeah?
Who in for?
What's your name, man?
Corey.
With a K?
C. Can I tell you something, sir?
Hold on, I have to get your information.
I hear voices.
Okay. What's your last
I'm
name?
diagnosed with schizophrenia, bipolar disorder.
What's your last name?
Regular 50.
Lawrence.
Okay.
Good. Just confirming I can cancel the 33.
They told me to keep going.
Correct.
Huh?
They told me to keep
That
going.
33 canceled at
What's social security number?
One in the back told me to keep going.
Which date of birth?
6/13/94.
What's your phone number?
330 601 7580. I hear voices, sir.
Okay. Were you driving?
Yes.
Okay.
They told me to keep going.
Okay.
He threw his gun on my lap.
Where was the gun at?
He threw his gun on me.
Okay.
Stop at the speedway.
Correct. So the thing hit on flock. It kept hitting all morning. I'm like, this shit is getting on my nerves. So I'm like, let me just go find this thing real quick. Let me get behind it so they could just run and get the fuck out of here so this thing can stop hitting on this camera. So I get behind it, and then I see it coming west on Euclid. So I get behind it, and motherfucker don't run. I'm like, damn. I'm like, did the owner get it back or something? So I'm calling it out. We get to Speedway. And then he stopped at the
long pause at Speedway. I'm
Hell yeah, I just heard your radio like it's like you had chimed it up, but I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah.
I heard you say I'm about to light it up, then it was just like a long ass pause.
because we stopped at Speedway. And I'm yelling at him to turn it off. He wouldn't turn it off. And then Shane pulled up. I had him at gunpoint through the. Shane pulled up, had him at gunpoint in the window, and then dude just dragged him halfway across the fucking parking lot. Shane pulled the mag out when he was hanging in the window.
Pulled the mag out of his.
Yeah.
He pointed the gun at Shane?
I don't know if he pointed at him or not, but he said he told me he had a gun. And then I saw a mag fly out, so I bumped him. And then the dude just peeled out, dragging Shane like halfway across the parking lot.
Copy.
34 ready, cancel the 33.
What?
10-4.
It is today. It's yours today. Huh? Because you had it, so it's yours.
I didn't have any.
This is yours.